Molante Anmay. Anmay. Ade Anyam si. Sorry. Ade Anyam si Mina. Chinga Manyaksu village. Ngong. Ngona. Halak. Halan. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Ija sabi mo Konyak kota ko bole munde. Parede mo sorom khala ise. Holibi ide chukra chukriyan bisi najanagan da kiwa mo dikhi ise. Najanagan bisi ise. Mo chogalibi tare jana morning ge nammai na kuisa ki kwa ina ku dekise mo ki satihan kumbahan. To mo apne ande sika bole mun se. Ha? To holibi ija no ina lop pasage na class khan dibo apni la kusi se mo ki text koribi call koribi na. We'll do that later na but ija kani apni han puji ola kani mola performance na. Mola performance puji ola nagamis aro English mo comfortable se. Hala koribi na yes no. Ito informal session hole olop kya phatai na koribo dekise but still it's formal na to olop maintain korina koribo. I think it's clear na. Pura clear ma dangor dekhi isro. Apni han dekhi thakbo moi paper bi moi nichu anise. Normal paper na dekhi is na apni check karo na please moram ba. Aro sabte pass kori diyo noloi diyo re. Korai diyo please. I'm really sorry agila do. Plain sabte pass karo na aro korai diyo muge. Agila do kati diyo re. Video le. Agila do kati diyo. Okay. Ito plain paper na. Dekhi is na. I think it's clear na. Kita na moi puisa bisi duk pai na ida bi duk azare holi bi moi nokure bisi bak na claim is against chai jan is na the law la na kita moi pai na is it clear moi puisa bisi duk pai na ina na change kuri de na clear no ho but still you can see na it's clear is it real apni pass kar lo check karo nolo le bire अब इस खाने दुकान पर मानमा करनी ना देखिए वो सर क्यों दिवरे पर चेक करो ताकि इतना थोड़ा दिवरा रखी लगे ओह मांग फाल को thank you so much इधर अलग story के जाओ दे thank you so much first of all इधर मुझे मन फालो को ना जने कौन से मुझे बिसी बक ना जने नाम करना but thank you so much मुझे like time वाला provide करी दिस ना extra time and thank you so much मुला इधर talent promote कर ले कुराज अच्छा इधर 2008 ते ना मुला साथी एक था किसी best friend ना I won't say his name ना मुझे नाम तक तो न कोई दिवो 2000 मुला friend देखिए तो कि उसे ताई 2013 ने बसे बीमार हुए थे and that was the year when I started doing magic ना 2013 ने ताई बसे बीमार हुए ना after that बीमार बरो pneumonia इना था कि ना रो पास आना मुरीज ना expire हुई then बसे मुंतो था किसी तरह मैं ना for any go 4-5 months तो मैं कांदी देखिए ना but mon बसे बिखाए ना कि ले मैं स्कूटी जाए लेवी मैं ताई लोई बसे बेराई ताई लाओ जाओ स्कूल छुट्टी हो ताई लाओ आए वो मैं इनाई बसे बक पूरी देगे ना तो मन बिसी बिखाई देखिसे मैं ना दुकान टाइम मुराने होले भी एक दिन की उसे after 6 months ना की उसे मैं मैजिक करी देखा मजरे मुझे ताला presence feel आइसे रे presence feel आइसे तो ना ऐसा के कोई ऐसे रे मुला presence it's not a magic or something experiment like that मुला even मुला life ते होला कोई सो मुला राती के सपना भी पाओ मुला असुरे आसे एक टाइम मुझे ना connect कर देखिसे ना तो मैं जो दिखाओले मुझसे आपने के ना मुला असुरे इतना भी आसे रे ताई दे बोई से दे है कि ना फाल ना दे boys आपने न believe नुकरो ना so we'll do an experiment there we'll do a testing there I need 2 audience दुईटा मानु लगे मुझे 1 boy and 1 girl we'll choose that itu phelana choose kuru re itu kunla face te lage itu manu aibi re पीछे के अपनी किमान ताकत से एकदम जोर फैलावे तारे पीछे के माइकी अपने लाओ सोरे माइकी तेईस वाले अपनी इट पास कर दिए अथाई लेना है itu मोटा असर अपनी आरा पर फैला we'll make it random just अलग plan ना क्या करो अलग खिले हो it's just like experiment ना just throw this at अपने ला कुछ चीज को तो भी फैला हुआ है माइकी ला फेस्टे मारे दी sorry we don't promote that ओको ने पेपर लाइज जोको मना पाओ please अपने के पैसे को ले खरा हुए please stand up सोरम खाओ लोगों भी नहीं रे okay thank you so much can you please join me on stage give her a big hand of applause अच्छा अपनी ना अगर बॉल खोए राखी लुइस नहीं ओको भी नहीं पेपर लाइज तो खोए where's the ball आया ये अरबी last TV use करो ले जरे sister ताते एकदम ताकत पर फैलाए रो अपनी कुंभा मोता ये गुस्सा लगी जे फैलाए चोरा फैलाए कोते ले make it random मोता please join me on stage क्ले मारे ना आज मैं दिखी इसे अपनी के दिखी इसे please सोरम खाओ लोग sister please join me on stage sister अपने आई जावे and brother please ball था का मानो कौन से माथी के रखी दिस रो we'll just play ना दो नहीं खिलाए इस रो you can just come up ना वो सोरम खाओ लोग को भी ना इना वाले तो interest ना हो तो please अपने लाओ सोरे जलो just pick up और अपनी फैलाओ पर दे फले thank you so much you can sit there have a seat here okay thank you so much what's your name Pomia okay I'm Anyam what guy ball or time na ball or time ko ne apne ai na please just come big hand kle maru de prize power less itu board la piche ge tangor rakhina zaman moi thank you so much ball pass kar dibi de itu lo le na war phatai disi ko please have a seat what's your name Anyam have a seat okay we'll do an experiment I get a question story though the story it's not fake okay it's a real story and the incident it was just a dream but I feel like ekdam osan is not but I still feel every time I try this na it happens it actually happens hote hoy we'll do an experiment apni phui khain na ka suidan de it's okay it's church is a holy place we're in a holy place so you don't have to be afraid of anything suidan de phui khain na khai अपनी स्वीडन ने पुई खाए स्वीडन ने के लिए पुई खाए ईश्वर ने पुई खाओ लासे रो अपनी खान स्वीडन ने पुई खाए ना खाए ओके ने अपनी पुई ना खाओ लेगा ना और अपनी की इजी करी दे अपनी तो मोटा है कौन है नहीं बेर कर ले ना अपनी सुकु बन कर लो रे अपनी रे सुकु बन कर और मैं वाला नौका तक नखोली रे ओके ने ये देखिए आने ना रखी दिली भी नखोली रे सुकु को ना खाओ तो सुकु बोनी था कि वो सुकु खुली चले तो आत्मा दिखी जाओ बरे तो क्या रो it might be a huge problem ना तो अपनी सुकु बोनी रखी भी last तक मैं वाला नौका तक just close your eyes चांस मारा न हो तो क्या बात करा मैं जी पार्टी ना अपने आने पे भाल नहीं अपने just close you don't have to close your eyes ना अपनी मन ओला तान करो भी ना दूसरे please zoom ना so that it can be viewed. Sister, if I touch you na, मैं अपने के touch करूँ so अपने ला right hand उठाओ रो. मैं touch करूँ so अपने ला right hand उठाओ. Mic did you na? Open your eyes, open. You can open your eyes now. अपने ना थकी. सुगुपोंग करूँ ले. You don't have to be afraid of it. उगु पुई ना खावी रे. Sister, मैं अपने के touch करूँ से. Answer दे.
Yes.
Yes. अपने point करना दिखाओ पारो कोते touch करूँ से. Point करना दिखाई दो कोते touch करूँ से. अपने mic नीचे करूँ दियो, mic नीचे करूँ दियो. ओकुन mic नीचे करूँ, mic नीचे. Close your eyes. ना हाथे थोड़ी. नीचे की ना करूँ दियो अपना नीचे की. Just close your eyes. Sister, अपने कुछ लिवान है तो feel ऐसे. कुछ लिवान है ना. कोते point करूँ. अपना दाढ़ी भी लंबा है. Sister, अपने right hand, अपना right hand दियो मुझे. Don't open your eyes. Just do it like this. अपना right hand. Just do it like that. अपने हाथ उठाई दियो ना. मैं गारा आज़ दो. Sister, don't move, okay? Just watch. Don't move. Sister, मैं अपने के touch करूँ से. Just use the mic.
Yes.
कोते touch करूँ से. किमान बार touch करूँ से. One time. Okay, you can open your eyes. पर मैं ताकि touch करूँ से. Physically touch करूँ से प्रवीण. मैं ताकि touch करूँ से. कुराना है. मैं अपने के touch ही कुराना है रे. मैं ताकि touch करूँ से. ले मुला साथी अपने के touch करूँ देख से. होली भी रुकी भी. अपने जैसे खराब हो रहे. होली भी अपने के राती की हुई से ताई से हमना करूँ रे. ताकि touch कराएगा तो क्या feel आए से. You can have your seat. Thank you so much. Idea अलग लंबा जावा था ना अलग अपने मुला दो निदल दिखसान दिखाना just be honest कुम्बा दिखसान दिखाना है सावले मुंसे we'll try that okay needle sir Mikey and Labek is I'm really sorry yes online दियो था ओके नहीं हो जाओ मुझे सही लग रहा है please volunteers please I pray over volunteers boy mota please stool that rakhi diyo na chair stool ito yes मुझे लंबा पिची नहीं रे कुंभा के तो सब ito लगा पिनस ना डांगर वाला मुझे डांगर नहीं रे पिची kan but I think camera के view दिखी जाओ ना can you please zoom here I think it's clear ना yeah it's much better पिची खर्चा करूँ नहीं रे expenditure पिची yeah very impressive actually sir please join me on अपने आगे अपनी इसने खाता कोई रख रहे थे yeah please join me on से अपने ला voice सुनी नहीं मुझे लगी था इसी तो मानो कि माती वो लगी वो ना Mike sir इधर आपने के chance दियो ना आपने कौन होली pick करो अपने ला चारडा निस्ना साथी माती में friend Mike होली भी कौन है चांद चारे दिवे
Yes, sir.
yeah give her a big hand of applause clap मारे दिवे सब मनो there you can pick anyone any four
Four, na?
yeah four just shoot
Humang. Molen.
yeah
Molen,
please join me on stage we're going to try something and I want you to experience
one more,
from very
Simba tahu je? Okay.
Clap, clap.
ลุงไม่ละลุงคนป่วยไม่ละกัน
Okay, done. So you can use the mic. Please use the mic and please come gather. Sorry, sorry. Kile means durba dikhilar camera tricks भी असने मुझे मिली ना असने पबना भी करो ना तो मैं choreography करी इसने पबना करो बारू तो ठीक है sorry all of sorry जो ना अपने यहाँ साव बारे ना इधर की से इधर acupuncture needle कोई अपने check करी जावे पर it's just a needle, a small needle. I don't have the big one ना so अपने यहाँ needle था चलो you can give it ना it's actually fine if you have needles or something like that कौन देवे ना it's okay fine you can give him. Is it real needle? मैं खोलना भी थोड़ा दिवो कोने. Yeah, you can see and you can share साव पर नहीं. दबाई दिवे. एक टाइस. ताते आलू बो सब खाई दिस आधार ले लिस्ट है. ताते देखा इसे ताई मांगे ना ले लिस्ट मुझे. आरो सब इधर अल्कोहल चले. कुंडा चलो. खाना ना खाए. ना खाए ना. ना कुंडा देखो कोने आपने अंदर आपने गिरी चला रो दिखता रहो but आपने भी गारा हो नहीं itu ki is pichi maram da use kara lazre syringe na spirit ya doctor se na pharmacist okay so is your father here no okay we'll just try this I have this it's spirit you can see na it's too much actually you can see 이거 뭐 Konyak kota likha asre ngonang pauri dage power ki using na I'm really sorry I don't have the big one na moi dangar wala ani bole power usre but still I have the small one it works fine na but it's work fine you can see it's real na it's real you can enabi kuro pare apne kuro it's enamari wo moi real na watch come closer where's that pipe can you please hold this don't worry sabire idena exact idede camera view guru bare ise can you view camera dekhiye is na nahi we'll just use this again please don't try this Aslin is na? Aslin is na? Aslin is not the key is na? But let me tell you there, it's not real. It's just an illusion. Aro itu ke सबसे scary part की is ना? itu तेरा दिख ना? itu दिखी is ना ना? दिखी is ना ना itu? itu hilly is itu skin do. आपने अन दिखे ना जाने बाद itu hilly is ना?
ngi
oh itu अलग बिना थकाई दिसे कोले ना पार हो जाए अलग real को रोला खून दियो बरे तो खून भी दी दियो ना दियो आपने थोड़ी वो बरे तो you can touch but don't तुम जोड़ नो करो you can touch it looks so अलग दांगर वाला पीछे थकेले मैं दांगर पीछे खसाई दो देखिस आपने अंदर नाई ना touch ऊपर touch करो कौन scary part है touch करो fine ना it looks so real sir आपने ना करो ना हाथ इना वाना होय it right hand ba koribe camera ge bi dikhole to ina wana idigo thuribe ar aste aste pull out koribe chorba no koribe de aste aste ar push no koribe pull out kore wait there is a difference ola khuni nahi hai there is no blood you can check
하반에 자야사나
blood nahi na apne check karo pare check koribe to ina korise asli is na needle so please don't try this and thank you so much you can have your seat thank you sir kumba bacha piche marole phoi ise dikise do na dikhana hai just be honest dikhana gale to anla hatte thali dibo aina ne bikha ho ko ne अलग खूनी वाला ऊपर है Okay, next day we'll try something with phones there. So I want every one of you to take out your phone and do like this. Do like this. Phone. Just phone call, my la call, I motan la call, just cut it. You can receive later, you can talk later, nah? Okay. I'm really sorry to say that, but please, Android user kan sab namari. Android user, put your hands down. Any iPhone user? Because security lab tight wala lagi. Any iPhone user, you can just stand up. Apne iPhone se? But that's my friend. We won't use his phone. We need someone who has an iPhone. Who? Please join me on stage, ma'am. Please join me on stage. Clap marade. You can have a seat here. You can just sit here and relax. Okay, ma'am. iPhone, you can unlock your phone. Okay, it's fine. I'm not gonna share your password with anyone. I'm not gonna look. Don't worry. Okay, then we'll try something there. We'll try something with audience. So, idaro mo ipelaw. Takotin na ini kundi be. Brother, catch. What's your name? Kone. Pre-arrange kuri se mujhe ko. Kura na. Apne ki chance diye. Apne piche ke ko teli phelawa pare. But wait, not now. We'll do it na later. Apni bui thagi bolap. Takot safe kona thagi bolap. Bonai thagi bolap. Hat to ina kona. Ma'am, we'll use your phone. Can you please open your calculator? Yeah, clear it, everything. What is it? You can remove that one. It's. Huh? Okay. Can you rotate the phone? Okay, fine. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. Now. Okay, fine. Okay. Now we'll put my phone number at 1054394. You can call anytime. Or you can give it to your friends. Number honanay na. Ita call I think that this po may. Ito business. It's just a business number. I'll put my real number. Okay. It's 89 kita kisna ro. 8984 1. Please, last laro na ko re. We'll just rotate na ma'am. Rotation though. We'll just off there. We don't need. We'll just on. Rotation on. Okay. Ma'am, I just cleared it. Okay. Don't worry, but I'll give you later on if you want. अपने friends खाने दिवाले को आते हैं. It is to open the Hijalan Hona, but so ma'am, we'll try something there. Sir, bro, please stand up and throw ball. Piche ke phala, piche durbi ne phala. Awas no niwo. I'm really sorry. Bro, any 4-digit number? Ma'am, I want you to hold like this. Just hold like this. Any 4-digit number? Khara korna to face te laga manu moi dikise soram khawle kam ne. Huh? 20 aru dida. 20, 40. Can you please type 20 and 40? Show it to camera. 20, 40, correct 40. You can type plus. Okay. Can you please throw the ball again? Also, be dur hui jao. Oh yeah, just throw it. It doesn't matter. Okay. Hi. Any 10-digit number, you can give your phone number. Just get any 3-digit number, please. Huh? 224. 284. You want to change? No? Okay, fine. You can throw the ball. 284. Yes, 284. 284. Type multiply into. Yes. Okay. We're gonna multiply. We need bigger number. Please throw. Mari this ro. Please, bro, stand up and number it na. Any 4-digit number. We'll make it random na. 4-digit number. 4-digit number. 8. आपने voice follows it. Singers नहीं अपनी. 8414. इधर phone number last starting digit नहीं. You want to change by the way? Change करो. Could we change? 8414 ना. Number change करो. No करो. Okay, 8414 please type. You can show it to the camera and show again. 414. Type multiply again. Okay. We need 5-digit number. You can please throw that side. Tadla manuan please size. Pela tade. Please stand up. Any 5-digit number. Any 5-digit number. Huh? Kali? Kali ko Any 5-digit number please. Alap chojo ko. Khara karo na please khara karo. Na khara karo is brother tinglemba kwan is na khara karo lim na dikhe ni. Koi ko dese. Raise your hand. Stool is dana dara stool didi ro. Okay. Huh? 5 triple six. Church days do. Number change karo. Pop ko. Change karo na. 5 ma'am please type 5 aha mo phoibi lagi is. Aro 6 again. Type plus. Okay. We need ma'am. Oh, okay. We'll just do it. You can just turn around. Phone the turn guna. Abne just types 5-digit number. Make it random. Very random. I think manuhan kumba calculate kuris na ne. Calculate kurle follow this, but it's okay. Hoise. You can type 5-digit number. Yes. You can type equal. Now we have a number. Now just keep like this now and show it to the camera. Can you please read out the number? 5. Huh? You can rotate na. Numbers there's na. Number. Negative number thakisa na. Yes, 5. Wait. 2. You said 4. 4. 8 and 5. Another 5. Aro. 0. Huh? 5, 2, and 6. Okay. Fine. I don't know. Sorry. And 8 pips biya lesni. I think you're all calculating, right? Na calculate kuris na. Ma'am, is it a random? Can you please stand up? Kung khara kurisa, please stand up. Kung khara kurisa gede. Number ko akan please khara kurin na. Brother, मुझे नुको plan करी ना इसे करवा. In fact, we don't even know each other, right? What about you, brother? Plan को करी से मुझे. तो ये इतु number ही को भी ना नो कोई से मैं बोलते क्या? मैं अपने के पैसा दिसे तो number को भी कोई ना. And आरक तक किसी नहीं दे. Sir, किना? आपने किना? मैं कोई से आपने क्या? It was all random, right? And in fact, brother, apni yo phela na, you could have thrown anywhere, right? You had a free choice, and everyone na, nijula free choice. Like you can have your seat. So and madam, even you typed the number at last na. Phamna karo manhan pisi mujin plan gurna ase. Nothing was pre-planned, right? Everything was random. Does this number means anything to you? 5, 2, 4, 8, 5. Handwriting biaje. I'm from commerce background. I'm really sorry. Commerce color handwriting and English bisi biya again. It's 5, 2. You have your phone na. 5. You can just show it. 5, 2, 4, 8, 5, 5, 0, 5, 2, and 6. Moi ide na age na aji morning ekta video banaisira moi. I made a video. Can you please play? Mo aji morning ide na age ekta video banaisira moi na jani do. Hello everyone, this is Anyam Naga, and first of all I would like to thank God, and secondly thank you people of Wakching for this amazing and warm welcome and for the service that you have provided, and it was great. It's so great. And after that, the next is Today the date is 27th of October. It's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. in the morning day record creation we do. And like I had a weird dream last night and I saw some numbers in my dream. I don't know if this number means anything. Like I've just wrote it here. You can have a look, and if you can see, it says the number is 524855052 and 6. I don't know if this number means anything. So
Number ko
please let
meaning
me
is
know.
it was all random, right? But wait, there was a lot of after that. A lot of amala pastor, youth pastor, and the I realized na. Tanla exactly mandu ko anay. We didn't have a topic na exactly, but tade wala idea ba na. Everything has a meaning na. Everything has a meaning. Please volunteer. Please join me on stage. You have to help me. Everything has a number. Everything has a meaning there. Even the number na, it give you meaning as a day. And as we all know, what about you? And sorry, then I'm doing magic for like 8 years there. More than 8 years I've been doing magic, and again lots of experience. The busy failing na mistake busy is like first one na, but moi hote prepared again na mistake was level ko na will do the next one na phal guribo gana na. Ma'am, just stay here na. Phal guribo ina plan again na moi kurede. And 8 years hoise I have done more than like 30 shows all over Nagaland aro Bahar dibi Assam dibi gurise moi na shows and all. And dibi apni hala prayer inahan thagani ho bare idekumba mula sadi bhai kan bi ase. So thank you so much apni hala prayer apni hala support pi bishi thagise moge na edogani hoala ase. And aro koa the first of all the key is Isor. Isor wa hote help kurise de moi magic kuris na kala site jane de Sudan site jane. I always choose Jesus na because Jesus saved. Na Isor was save kore na itamanoge na. Jesus saved me and Jesus saved you na. Apni andi bi save kore dagibo na. Kumbala biya din thaki dagibo. Digibi Isor baro alap basegaro tam phal din tam khusila din na bonai diro na. Na moi koan is na idea koi rakhan is na. Everything has a meaning na. Everything has a meaning. Itu number give meaning is there. Can you please come? Itu kone man na. You can just man dukida. Just go there. Just go there. Rotate kore na. Open up. Itu stay na. Everything has a meaning. It says JESUSSAVES. Save. Jesus save. Jesus save. Thank you so much. You can have your seat. So, idero man dikhao parne de. Aro stay hoani like time doro mistake pi hoina. So I did some mistake. I'm really sorry for that. Aro ida kole munjado idero go suitan khan nai de because there are I have different magic na, but still moila phabisolo offensive hui jao ni Christian side de go na moi kora nai de because idero bisi dark hui jao. Bisi like evil side de hui jao ni na lagi moge. But it's not evil. It's just practice. I have practiced. Na moi bisi practice ko nai wala je. It's not evil though. Abnian panja sawale mun je na monlab khuja. You can check out my YouTube channel. It's Anyam Naga. You can check out, or you can just type Naga Magician. You will find my videos. Thank you so much. Have a good night.